And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to go to my page and click the subscribe button and stay up to date on all my latest updates.
Hi, today's video is sponsored by Generational Wealth. Please check out their website for all your Generational Wealth merch.
All right, if there's one thing you gotta love parts a day. All right, so we just got this in the mail today. Time to open it up, see what it is. All right, here it is. It's the Ford Racing X pipe. So I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about this. So the thing about this setup is, when I had my last Mustang, it was very, very, very loud.
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Very loud. I had the ARH off-road headers, Corsa double helix X pipe, and it went through some Corsa extremes. And when I say the cold starts were vicious, I mean it was super, super, super loud. So with this one, I'm just going a slightly different approach. With this one, I am going to try out the Ford Racing X pipe with the kooks off-road headers. I know sometimes when you add the cats, that quiet it down a little bit, but with the power that I plan on making with this car, I think it's going to eat the cats. So
What did he say?
I want to stick away from the cats. And the axle back that we're going to use is we're going to use the factory active exhaust. I think that setup there will quiet it down a little bit. But if it is a little too raspy, or if I don't like it, I'll, probably get a Borla exhaust, or I might get the Corsa Sport. But I just want to give this a quick try. The good thing about it is it's not that much money. This is only 200 so bucks. So if it doesn't work out, we can swap it out. So without doing all the talking, let's get all this loaded up and let's get this installed. I also got to say that I am very glad that the mods are finally going to start on this car. I mean, I'm hoping that the Whipple will come sometime soon, but I ordered it back in January. I paid a lot of money for it, and here it is, like middle of March, and still nothing. I've had about 10 grand in limbo with this whole Whipple ordeal for a little bit. I figured that a couple more weeks it should be here, but until then, we got this. We're gonna get this put on in hopes that the Whipple will be followed by this. And also, do you guys think I should get this dynoed, or should I just wait until the Whipple gets here and just do it all then? I don't know. It's just so much going on, but this is happening. Gotta love Michigan, right? I mean, where can these go in this type of condition? All right, just give me a second. Let's fix this. Now this is much better. Look at that. See, Michigan weather is so unpredictable, man. Sometimes you might get snowy and cloudy, and then next day you get this, clear. So, all right, let's pack up. Let's get out of here. Let's be nice to our neighbors. We are going to put it on quiet on the startup. Beautiful. Not ideal, but here we are. A little bit of rain. Taking it easy with the radios on the back. But we are 31 minutes away. I'll be picking back up the camera when we are there. Mustang on wheels and the GT500 over there on wheels. I believe we're in the right place. Of course, he has his own 2024 Mustang. It's looking pretty nice. Active exhaust. It's like mine's, but it's just not the performance pack, but it's all good. Look like we got a Hellcat here. And that GT500 I was talking about is on a dyno now. Oh yeah. We are in great hands here. Very excited to get this started. So yeah, it's official. I am for sure gonna get the front runners on my car because this GT500 looks absolutely amazing with the front runners. 3.0 Whipple. So here we are. All right, so here we are. We are out of here now. All right, Mustang is in good hands. Don't believe this. I still can't believe that I'm modding a car that only got about 600 miles on it. Well, not 600, 666 to be exact. Or is it 667? One of those. But yes, here we are. So my question to you guys is, after I put the headers on, how much power do you think this car is going to make? I want you guys to comment below and tell me how much power you think it's going to make. I think it's going to make at least maybe fours to the wheels, maybe. But we'll see.